Man in custody in connection with shooting death of toddler. 2 alleged robbers killed in clash with St. Mary police identified. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 20-year-old Anthony Findlay, otherwise called Boy Blue, Bodyman, and CJ, has been taken into the custody of the Trelawney police in connection with the shooting death of a 2-year-old boy in Clarkstown in the parish Sunday night. The deceased has been identified as Adrian Jerome Campbell of Mackhill, Clarkstown in the parish. Reports are that the stepfather of the child and Findlay had a dispute on Sunday. Findlay reportedly left and returned with a firearm and reportedly fired a shot at the stepfather while he was in his motor car. The child, who was a passenger in the vehicle, was found suffering from gunshot wounds. He was rushed to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. 2 of the 4 alleged robbers who died in a confrontation with the police on Wednesday, March 8 on Lodge Lane Road in Onotobe, St. Mary have been identified. They are 35-year-old Owen Minot of Waterford, St. Catherine, and Bernard Garden of Augusttown, and 31-year-old Donoy Richards of a Kingston 13 address. The police reported that a team was on patrol in the area when they saw 4 men loading goods from a business establishment. Upon seeing the cops, the men reportedly opened fire and the gunfire was returned. When the shooting subsided, Richards and Mignot were found with gunshot wounds. They were taken to the Onotobe Hospital where they were pronounced dead. The 2 other men escaped on foot.